Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G715. In this video I'll show you where is the battery location. In order to find battery of this keyboard, take a look at the bottom of it. To find the battery, firstly make sure that the keyboard is turned off, and next remove this sticker. Once you've removed it, you have to unscrew two screws, which location is right here. Once you've removed it, you can open this cover and the battery is located right here. You can see it more clearly on this instruction. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.